time to venture and find our next destination. Come on, let's hit it.
This is the Khao Gali, and you know all the famous street food items of Mumbai. I've had probably the best renditions of it over here, and I think that's because like you've got a huge crowd, so the turnover is like very fast, and most of the people who eat here are regular. So the guys selling know you by face, the guys eating. Like this guy makes probably one of the best pav bhajis in Bombay. You get some great vada pavs down the road and dosas and stuff like that. He looks a bit like Shatrughan Sinha, by the way.
He does actually. I think we should all just spread out and pick what you want because there's everything under the sun.
Absolutely, and the best of street food.
So toot pade kya? Let's go for it.
And I like to have pav bhaji like this, which is made straight off the tawa, because sometimes it's in the cans and this thing. But you know, when you're seeing it all put together on a wet, rainy day like this, the masala going in, the butter and the dhania and the vegetables and stuff like that, it just makes you drool. I mean, it's so tempting. You can't wait till it comes onto your plate.
So we've got some pav bhaji kalyan.
Yeah, and it's piping hot. It's my favorite pav bhaji in Bombay.
This is indeed a damn good pav bhaji. This might seem like just simply eating pav bhaji, but trust me, when you eat it on the street over here, it's better than most pav bhajis you can get in the city. Superb actually. Okay, we've also got some mixed bhajiyas here, and in the monsoon,
Yeah.
bhajiyas, come on.
Special. They are salted and fried.
These chilies,
Yes.
come on, have.
You can make out the salt. Go for it! Go for it! Go for it!
Hot bhajiyas on a wet morning. We head to Pradeep Gomantak, a small, clean restaurant where people flock for their seafood.
So this is Pradeep Gomantak, which gets packed during lunchtime. An authentic Maharashtrian Gomantak style
This
of food.
turns me on tremendously. I think there are a couple of Maharashtrians here as well, and I think they're going to enjoy this food thoroughly. Before the crowd comes, I think we should just go in and grab some seats. Come on, let's go. The variety of seafood is limitless. After much deliberation, I am ready to order. I have walked up a huge appetite.
So I think we should go for thalis.
I'll have the tisra,
I know you're fond of
which I will eat, and then whatever else you will. Everybody's got their own respective thalis. I've asked for one with tisra. He's got his surmai fry. He's got a suka mutton thali. She's got Bombay duck. Think about it. You're in the middle of Flora Fountain or the fort area, and you've got this wonderful little Gomantak place, and we're eating traditional, absolutely unadulterated Maharashtrian food.
How about a soul curry cheers?
Why not? A cheers with soul curry. Here we go. So let's see what I have in my plate over here. Let's go for it. Key about tisra is that it's delicious, but there's hardly any meat ever comes out of it.
But please dig in too.
So it's a bit of a battle. Wonderfully spicy.
And so fresh.
Yeah, absolutely. The seafood is obviously the catch of the day, and it's the masala. Finally, it's all in the freshness and in the masala. You got to finish it with this extremely digestive soul curry.